Hello everyone. Now many Russian customers contact us. They want us to help them purchase wholesale products from China to Russia. This we can help them. The first way is to receive the payment from them. For payment, we have USD payment and also RMB payment. For USD payment, we can receive by bank transfer. And for RMB payment, yes, we also have the VTB bank details. In this, customers can transfer the foreign RMB to our bank account. After receiving the payment, we can start to purchase items for them. We can buy from different suppliers in China and consolidate all the items in our warehouse. We can repack or make pallet for customers if they require. Before shipping, we still need to prepare the many documents like the formal export declaration file. Even if the customers find their own shipping agent, we still have to prepare these files for them. The files including commercial invoice, packing list, power of attorney, and the transit declaration, such as etc. So it's better, we can also help them to prepare this shipment, these files. Finally, we can also arrange shipping service from China to Russia. We have two ways for shipping them. One is DDP, delivery duty paid. This way is suitable for small personal packages. In this, customers don't need formal export declaration. And the other way is for large shipment. In this way, customer need to confirm the HS code before they placing the order, and they also, because the Russian customs have a strict regulation about the item categories. We can also help them to check the HS code if they require. Many Russian customers purchase different products from different suppliers and consolidate in our warehouse. And then we can arrange shipping service for them. If you want to doing business like this, you can also contact us.